Let's see what we got here at this old pioneer encampment. Huh. It's a hell of a dream going on here. I need to wake up. Bow and arrows, walking sticks, yeah. Yeah, I would say this is a pioneer encampment going on. I need to wake up, get back to the real world. French folks, huh? I wonder if they're gonna get safe passage through the Native American land. See what this fella's up to. Make them flutes yourself?
Pardon?
You make them flutes?
These aren't mine. They're made by a friend of mine. I think I sold my last finished one Prairie Machine 2 weeks ago. The semi-finished are mine. I don't make enough to be able to keep them all year round. lot of playing with this breeze today.
You have a good day, sir.